It's MC Monty in the place to be. Welcome to the adventures of MC Monty. This month's theme, Wonder Woman. Yeah. My partner and I attended Superman Celebration this year, and we really had a great time. And in preparation for Superman Celebration, I was building this Wonder Woman cosplay for Dana to wear. We entered the cosplay competition, and guess what? We won first place. We won 2 cash prizes, and it was very exciting. So I'm excited to share this award-winning cosplay build that we're working on. In this video, we'll be working on the leg armor and the shoes. These pieces protect your thigh and your knee. These are the shin guards. And of course, some cool Wonder Woman shoes. As usual, everything you need is listed in the description below. Gather your supplies and let's get to it. All right, you're cutting out 2 of everything. 2A and 2B for your leg, 6mm EVA foam. 2G and 2H for your knee and thigh, 6mm EVA foam. Cut out all of the top accent pieces out of 2mm EVA foam. Now I'm using my wood burner to score/burn the design that's on the front and back of the leg armor, pieces A and pieces B. If you don't have a wood burner, use an X-Acto knife and a heat gun. Now I'm using my heat gun to prep and seal my pieces and then applying contact cement to glue the accent pieces on the front of A and B. All the leg armor has this strip of accent, this design strip that goes down the center. So I'm applying that to the front A and to the back piece B. Then also going to do the same thing for the knee and thigh armor. Now I'm going to connect the front seam of the knee piece, and this piece curves to go around and fit around the knee. And then I'm going to glue the accent design piece strip on the top. Next, I'm going to do the same thing for the thigh piece. Now I'm going to trace where the thigh piece and the knee piece connect. So the knee piece overlaps just a little bit. So I'm tracing out where the contact cement needs to go so I can glue those pieces together. And once the contact cement gets tacky, I glue those pieces together. Now I'm using my heat gun to shape the leg armor. This is me shaping the front, the shin armor. Then I'm going to do the same to the back piece. Now I'm shaping the back. And when you're all done, you'll have a front, a back, and a knee/thigh armor protection. All right, the construction of the lower leg armor is complete. This is what protects the shin and the calf and the back of the leg. After it's painted and your straps are added, it will look like this. Now you have 2 thigh/knee armor pieces complete. Now one thing I forgot to do is add piece F to the bottom of this. And it's a little piece F on your pattern that actually glues down to the bottom of here that I forgot to do. So make sure you do that. Next, cut out your pieces for your shoe armor, pieces C, D, and E, out of 2mm EVA foam. And glue your strip designs onto the top just like you did your leg armor. You're going to take a base shoe. I bought this shoe from Walmart, and I'm going to use this as the base for my for Dana's Wonder Woman cosplay. I'm tracing all the armor pieces into position where they need to fit on the shoe. And right before I did this step, Dana painted all of the armor pieces that go on the shoe. I'm using some sandpaper to rough up the surface so it can hold the glue, hold the contact cement. And then I'm going to glue the armor pieces down. First, I glue the smallest piece to the toe. And then the pieces get gradually bigger as they go up the shoe. The next thing I'm going to do is use Velcro for the second and third piece so that it's easy to take the shoes on and off. So I'm going to put a piece of Velcro in place and allow the second and third strip of armor to open up so Dana can slide into the shoe. If you want to have a more screen accurate look, then get a wedge shoe. But Dana wanted a flat shoe. And the shoes are complete. I like this idea of using a base shoe, just getting something from the store that's not expensive, or finding something from the thrift store that you can use, and then building your armor on top of that. That worked out really good for this cosplay. All right, now all your construction is done. It's time to paint and make everything look nice and pretty. For these armor pieces that need to be red, we're using this deep red. It's like a darker, deeper redder color. So we're using Cardinal Red Satin Finish Folk Art Multi-Surface. It's gonna give this red look when it's done. And this centerpiece is painted gold. As you can see, DC is hard at work painting the armor pieces. This is the back of the leg armor. Getting that nice second coat on. It's gonna look great. Yeah. Using a foam brush because it doesn't leave a lot of streaks from the paintbrush. Can't film when your hand's in the way. I'm just kidding, go. Oh, check out this angle. Ooh, ooh yeah, ooh yeah. Check out that angle. Beautiful. And there you have it. Your Wonder Woman cosplay is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helped a lot of you make these parts of your Wonder Woman cosplay. You're one step closer to having a complete Wonder Woman cosplay. If you like this video, make sure you give me that thumbs up. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and hit that bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video or tutorial. Let me know how your Wonder Woman cosplay is coming so far. Leave me a comment. Let me know how you're doing. If you want to stay in touch, remember to hit me up on social media. Here are my links. And also, I would love for you to be my Patreon. So please hit up my Patreon and subscribe there as well. The next video covers the final piece, the Wonder Woman corset. Always remember, adventure awaits. So get out into the world and explore. And I'll see you next time. Peace.